What it do, YouTube? We back. We're back. We back in the Cadillac CTS. Doing another little late night, drive vlog. You feel me? How y'all been? How y'all been? I've been on that 2K26. It's so crazy. This morning I looked at how many hours I played. I was at 52 hours already. It's like I ain't been worried about nothing but 2K. I just made my 7.4 build. It's a demigod. You play 2K and you want that demigod 7.4? Go ahead and check out my page. It's on there. I got a 6.4 demigod too. Point guard. Shoot, dunk, handles, all of the above, and play defense. He a two-way, three-level scorer. Yeah, man. I might record another one of these tonight. Just depends how I feel, if I go out or not. I'm gonna do it in my Lexus ES 350 F Sport. Yo, man. How was y'all week, man? Man, it's been lovely. It's so nice. I might buy a girl a drink. Like, here you go, ma'am. No, I'm lying. No, I'm lying. Yes, sir, I'm lying. I ain't even doing that. That's one thing about me now. I ain't buying nothing to drink. That girl can stay thirsty if all I care. Yeah. Oh, man. I got that iPhone 17 Pro Max on the way. I don't know if it's just me, but I get every iPhone. Put it like this, every year. I ain't gonna say every iPhone, because that's like every size. But put it like this, every year I'm getting one of the new iPhones. I've been getting a new iPhone every year since the 5S. I wanted to get the 5, but when I went to switch phone service from I was switched from AT&T to Sprint. And this is how funny how life works. So when I got my first phone plan by myself, it was with AT&T. I got my mama's plan. She had a family plan. I got off of it, got my own phone because I wanted me a new Android. So I got the HTC. I got the HTC the same time, the same day the Galaxy S3 came out. So boom. You feel me? I got that. So then, a couple months later, or a month or so later, maybe like a couple of weeks, I went and switched my phone plans over to Sprint. And they were sold out. I wanted the iPhone 5, but they were sold out because like release day. The only ones they had was the ones that people pre-ordered. They said, hey, I settled for the S3. I ain't gonna say settle, because I enjoyed the S3. It had its issues, the charger port mainly, because I had to get 2 replacement because of that, and I had another replacement for a cracked screen. But yeah, I went in there the same day and tried to get the iPhone 5, but they was sold out. I only had the ones that was pre-ordered left. So I got the S3. Came back a year or so later, got the 5S. A year after that, I got the 6. A year after that, I got the 6S. A year after that, I got the 7. The year after that, I got the 8. A couple months later, I got the 10. The next year after that, I got the 11. It was the 10S. That was the next year. The 10S is like I got the 10S Max is what I got. Then I got like the 11 Pro Max. Then I just got the 12 Pro. I got the 13 Pro Max, the 14 Pro Max, the 15 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max, and now it's the 17 Pro Max. You can call me an Apple guy, but I don't buy all their products. Like, I used to buy the Apple Watch every year, but I might buy the new Ultra. I've been still rocking. I ain't bought an Apple Watch since the first Ultra came out, and I stuck with that because I want to say the next year the Ultra came out, it wasn't even a new Ultra, it was just a new color. And then the next year it was the Ultra 2 was last year, and that was like just a brighter screen. I think this year Ultra got a little more oomph to it, so I need to look at a review, see what it's about, because I'm not gonna lie, I do want a new Ultra, but if it's very not much in there that I can see, I might just be like, I got the Ultra and some G-Shocks. Ultra and some G-Shocks, you feel me? I just as long as if it's real, because it's going through StockX, and I'm not really sure if StockX verification is real good, but I just bought that Dragon Ball Z G-Shock off of StockX, so it's going through the verification state, and they should be shipping it to me either from today to about, they say I can have it as early as everything goes smoothly. I can have it as early as Sunday, but I don't know if it's coming through UPS, if they deliver on Sundays. So you feel me? Hopefully I get it, and I'm be not Deion Sanders, Shadur Sanders with the watch. Yeah, my wrist look like Dragon Balls. Pause. Yeah, man. Really just loving how life is going right now. You know, more life. 2K scam me out some more money, but it's cool. It's all for the love of content. I ain't gonna lie, that 7.4 is deadly. But I ain't gonna lie, I want to say they patched the matchmaking in 2K, if I'm not mistaken. Because every game I played today on my 7.4 was the shortest person I played against was 6'11". Everybody was in height when I played, and when I play with my 6'4", I was playing against 7'4s, so I'm not sure just everybody went to a 6'11 up build, and to be honest, it was only one 6'11 build. Everybody else was 7'1", 7'4". That was all the rest of the builds I played. I think it was like 4 or 5 7'4s, 1 7'1", and 1 7. Then outside of that was that one 6'11", and he was just, we talked, he was practicing, seeing his build was worth the defense. I mean, it's basically the best in, like, could it, and I was like, hey, it was funny, I'm just testing the jump shot, because I kind of dropped the video, but while I was editing the video, I was still testing out, like, hey, is this, I ain't have nothing but, I put all VC on mid-range and 3 points. I ain't put nothing on nothing else. Everything else was raw. And I was just like, before I put VC in it, I just want to see how the shooting is. It's like, is it really like that? Boy, it's really like that. Like, even with 7'4s guarding, it's like, I ain't gonna say just, I think a lot of 7'4s don't have that perimeter defense, so they not really able to contest shots like that. Because I literally was just in a defensive stand in front of somebody, I didn't put my hands up or nothing, no contest. It said like 7% contest or something like that. I was like, I ain't put my hands up. It was just because I had good perimeter D and I was in front of him. And it was a 7-4 builder shot it. Well, somebody was 7-4 had his hands up. It said open when I shot over him. Hey man, I appreciate y'all taking this ride with me. I'm tired of this little. There's something wrong with the tire sensor in this car. But I'm supposed to go get it looked at hopefully next week. There's a couple things that need to be looked at. But hey man, I appreciate y'all riding with me. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Godspeed.